And so with that, I'm going to spin to our two experts who will talk about how they have looked at the pressures that they have faced within their operations and how they have, if you will, put a 12th person on the field to help with the defense and the offense, and that is a technology solution. So with that, let me pivot to Connor Muldoon. And Connor, if you'd take a moment and introduce yourself and tell us what you've done to deal with this issue.
Sure, thanks, Harry. Great to meet everybody on the webinar here. My name is Connor. I'm from the city of Syracuse, New York. And unlike maybe some folks, I'm actually not part of our Department of Public Works. I'm an offshoot of our mayor's office, and I help to run our Office of Accountability, Performance, and Innovation. We're tasked with project management and digital transformations across the enterprise. And I've spent a lot of time over the past couple of years working with our sanitation and our snowplow departments over in our Department of Public Works. We paired the deployment of Rubicon at the time with their smart city tools about 2 years ago was when we really started putting those tools into effect. And we paired that with an operational change, actually a couple of operational changes to introduce standardized carts for our residents for both sanitation and recycling. And then in between that, have also done a route optimization exercise with the staff on the team there. So a couple of different things that have gone into effect. And yeah, thanks, Harry. Happy to go deeper into any of those, or happy to answer any questions you may have here. I can't hear you, Harry.
There we go. I'm sorry, hit the wrong button. If you can you give us a little detail about why you decided you needed the technology, how you deployed the technology, and then what benefit did you see to the operation?
Sure. So, as we've been talking about this, preparing for this presentation, like I sort of think of it as two different but very interconnected benefits that we've received from having enhanced technology in our fleet. The first are the day-to-day insights into daily operations that we didn't necessarily have an ability to understand. Service verification, issues reporting, performance management, having the ability to understand where your teams and equipment are at any given point in time, and being able to pretty easily summarize the day's operations, what challenges might have existed, and increase that feedback loop on providing residents and customers with a better customer service and a better operational service has been pretty invaluable. The other element would be our route optimization for our sanitation. That went into effect this summer, where we changed the entire scheme of how our city picks up trash for residents, municipal solid waste. We used to do it in 15 routes per day, Monday through Friday, which the routes across each day and within each day were all very unbalanced. So we'd have crews returning all different times and different amounts of labor and time spent out in the field, which was just a terribly inefficient way of doing things. So we worked with the Rubicon team to better understand our existing conditions and take some industry best practices. And we were able to go from a 15 route scheme to a 12 route scheme. So just looking at the labor costs there, not even getting into the equipment costs, that's going to save the city about $600,000 a year in our ability to